Hey, what's up guys? I'm Aaron from Addicted 2. This is Noah. And this is Kai. And yesterday was a big storm here in Sicily, and a lot of trash came in our cave, and now we are going to that cave and we are gonna get that cave clean.
So hello, this is our first day of our cave cleanup, and we collected one whole bag of trash. Majority of stuff is just bottles, you know, and but we're gonna return tomorrow and collect the other trash.
So this is our end of the day. It's really sad because we thought this was less trash in there, but there's still a huge amount of trash. And I think we just collected 1 or 2% of all the trash what is in the cave. So if you want to help us, we go every day in this cave. If you want to help us and you're near Cefalù, just write us, just DM us or contact us, phone us, and we're happy for your help.
Hello guys, it's the second day of our cave cleanup here in Cefalù in Sicily.
Hey guys, just a small update about the cave. So we cleaned today again, and we collected 3 bags of trash, but there's still, I think, other 2 bags or 3 bags to clean, so we come back tomorrow. So hey guys, just want to show you the cave. We cleaned it up. It's 100% plastic free now, and yeah, here just to show you just some stuff from the ocean. And yeah, no plastic anymore. The cave is fully plastic free now. And yes, so if you find trash somewhere, I don't know, in the nature somewhere or at the streets, pick it up and put it in some trash holder, and yeah, do something good for the environment.